Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Lovers. So guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine and doing well. Today in this video I will provide you the best ideas of scuba diving gear dresses. All designed are so gorgeous, trendy and fabulous. And guys, I am showing you the best trend trending design of 2023. You can get ideas from my videos about color contrast, and I hope you like my all design. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and you will never miss any video of my channel. So guys, now goodbye till the next new collection of my channel, and thanks for watching my video.